Welcome! In this video, we will finish reviewing the 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT. So come on in and get started, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT is available in two variants, SUV and Coupe. The SUV variant is the more traditional body style, with a more upright roofline and a larger cargo area. The Coupe variant has a more sloping roofline and a smaller cargo area, but it offers a more stylish and sporty appearance. Both variants are powered by the same twin-turbocharged 4.0 liters V8 engine that produces 650 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque. They also come standard with the same performance features, including adaptive air suspension, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, rear axle steering, and the Sport Chrono package. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT is expected to have a combined fuel economy of 16 to 18 occ. The SUV variant starts at $197,950 and the Coupe variant starts at $203,950. Both prices exclude a $1,650 destination charge. The price of the Cayenne GT can increase significantly with options. For example, the Premium Package Plus adds $18,000 to the price, and the Sport Chrono package adds $4,500. A fully loaded Cayenne GT can easily cost over $250,000. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT is available in a variety of colors, including Arctic White, Black, Dolomite Silver Metallic, Carrara White Metallic, Jet Black Metallic, Gentian Blue Metallic, Crayon, Volcano Gray Metallic, Mahogany Metallic, Mamba Green Metallic, Chalk. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT features a luxurious and sporty interior with high-quality materials and finishes. The standard seats are covered in Alcantara and leather, and the steering wheel is covered in Alcantara. The Cayenne GT also comes standard with a panoramic sunroof and a Bose sound system. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT features a more aggressive exterior than the standard Cayenne. The front end features a larger grille and more pronounced air intakes. The rear end features a new diffuser and quad exhaust pipes. The Cayenne GT also comes standard with 22-inch alloy wheels and a carbon fiber roof. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT is one of the quickest and most agile SUVs on the market. It is equipped with several performance-enhancing features, including adaptive air suspension, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, rear axle steering, Sport Chrono package. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT is a very comfortable SUV, even for long trips. The seats are supportive and the ride quality is smooth. The Cayenne GT also comes standard with some comfort features, including heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, panoramic sunroof, Bose sound system, 4-zone automatic climate control. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT comes standard with several advanced technology features, including Porsche Communication Management (PCM), infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, digital instrument cluster, head-up display, night vision assist, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT comes with a 4-year/50,000-mile warranty. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT comes standard with many safety features, including anti-lock braking system, ABS, traction control, electronic stability control, ESC, airbags, side curtain airbags, knee airbags. In addition to the standard safety features, the 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT can also be equipped with many optional safety features, including night vision assist, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, park assist. Overall, the 2024 Porsche Cayenne GT is a high-performance SUV that offers a luxurious and comfortable interior, advanced technology features, and a comprehensive suite of safety features. Guys, if you enjoyed this voyage, please hit the like button, subscribe for more exciting reviews, and let's continue exploring the realm of automotive perfection together.